What if I told you that by the end of this year, almost every major Samsung Galaxy phone and tablet will look and feel brand new without you buying a new device? Sounds exciting, right? Well, that's exactly what Samsung is promising with its massive One UI 8 update. Samsung officially started rolling out One UI 8 on September 15th. And the very first devices to get it were the latest Galaxy S25 series, including the S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and the stylish new S25 Edge. This update is built on top of Android 16 and brings plenty of new features that Samsung has been hyping up for months. But here's the part that fans really wanted to know: exactly which Galaxy devices are going to be updated. And now, Samsung has finally given us the list. Now, it's important to mention that this list isn't fully complete. For example, a few special editions like the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition aren't on it, and neither are region-specific models like the Galaxy M or Galaxy F series. Still, it gives us a solid look at Samsung's update roadmap and shows how committed they are to keeping most of their phones and tablets fresh. So, let's go through it. Aside from the Galaxy S25 series, which already got the update, older flagships are also included. The Galaxy S24 series and the entire S23 lineup will be updated, along with the S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. That's 3 generations of Galaxy S phones still getting support, which is impressive. Moving on to foldables, Samsung has confirmed that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will be updated, as well as last year's Fold 5 and Flip 5. And even the Fold 4 and Flip 4 from 2022. That means if you've been holding on to your older foldable, Samsung hasn't forgotten about you. Then there's the Fe lineup, which is always popular for bringing flagship-like features at a lower price. The Galaxy S24 Fe, S23 Fe, and even the older S21 Fe will all get One UI 8. Tablets are also on the list, with the Galaxy Tab S10 series, Tab S10 Lite, Tab S9 series, and Tab S8 series scheduled for the update. Plus, Samsung hasn't skipped its affordable Fe tablets, like the Tab S10 Fe and Tab S9 Fe models, but Samsung didn't stop at flagships and foldables. Mid-range phones from the Galaxy A series are also included. That means if you own a Galaxy A56 5G, A55 5G, A54 5G, or the newer A36 5G and A35 5G, you're in luck. Even budget-friendly devices like the A26 5G, A25 5G, A17 series, A16 series, and A15 5G are covered. On top of that, older mid-rangers like the A73 5G, a 53 5G, and a 33 5G are also set to get the update. So here's the bottom line: whether you own a premium Galaxy S Ultra, a futuristic foldable, or even a budget Galaxy A phone, there's a strong chance you'll be running One UI 8 before the end of 2025. The only small catch is that while the Galaxy S25 series got the update in September, most of the other devices will only start receiving it from October onward. Sure, a few models are missing from Samsung's official list, but the sheer number of devices covered makes this one of the biggest update rollouts Samsung has ever done. And with One UI 8 built on Android 16, users can expect not just a fresh design, but smarter features and a smoother experience across the board. So,